Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Daytime. Now, we spend countless hours smearing on creams that supposedly make our wrinkles disappear. We blow hundreds, thousands of dollars trying to get our skin to rewind back to the days of our youth. But oftentimes, what you put in your body affects the way you look on the outside. So it only makes sense to, well, eat beauty products or something along those lines. Right, Jackie Silver?
Exactly. And you know what? We're always trying to find all the greatest beauty secrets to put on, like you said, but you can start aging backwards from the inside out. And the first product I want to introduce you to is this amazing Skin Defense Complex from Astavita. And it's originally developed in Japan. And, you know, free radicals, all that sciencey stuff, but that's what starts to age us. And Skin Defense Complex actually gets rid of fine lines and wrinkles.
Gets rid of them?
Gets rid of them. Hydrates your skin. Drinking water, contrary to popular belief, does not hydrate your skin. But this product, Skin Defense Complex, actually hydrates you from the inside out.
Do you have to eat a bottle a day to make that happen?
No,
or is it just...
it's 2 little gel caps.
That's
and they're
it?
easy to swallow. It's amazing. And what they have a special ingredient that's called astaxanthin, and it's what makes salmon orange.
Okay.
And it's wonderful for your muscles and just it can even
everything.
repair free radical damage.
Huh, do you take that?
I do.
Okay.
I take all of these.
I'm taking what she's taking. I'll put it to you that way.
Well, you know, we all know that I'm almost 50.
Yeah, and nobody believes you.
Nobody believes.
Yeah.
I get asked for ID to buy wine. So going to the next one, this is a supplement called Pro Tandem, and I'm not going to go into all the sciencey details, but this one gives you a cascade of these certain antioxidants that absolutely reverse aging. It's amazing, okay? And now this is a very special anti-aging secret called Corvalin D-ribose. That's a chewable chocolate wafer, which I like. Some people think it's chalky, but I think it's delicious. But what it does is it actually restores the energy level in your muscles. So even if you have sore muscles or fatigue, this is an anti-aging secret.
Really? And wait, but with these, can you take them all together? Should you just take one? How do you know what to take?
You can take them all together. I take them all. I take them all because you know what? Most of these kinds of supplements are, they'll just go, you get what you need and then they'll go right through you. You don't OD on them.
Okay.
And then these Life Fitness blood pressure monitors.
That's key.
And by the way, these are only available at CVS. They have an exclusive with Life Fitness. And there's a wrist blood pressure monitor because, you know, if you're aging backwards, you want to make sure it's all working. So
Absolutely.
you take. And this Beauty Scoop product is a new product.
I went to their website after
did?
I read your information. Tell us about this. This is really interesting.
Well, this is a new product. It also restores your youth and beauty from the inside out, and it's sort of like a vanilla flavored powder that's you can make a shake or mix it with your favorite drink.
And you can mix it with anything.
You can mix it with anything, and it tastes good. I've mixed it with water, juice. It tastes good no matter what you mix it
And you
with.
can eat. You don't have to have food in your system. It's not one of those things that it'll upset your stomach. Apparently,
I have tried every single thing on this table. I've never had a problem with any of them.
Good.
Moving on to the more edible, you know, liquidy ones, we have the Ito and green tea, and everybody knows all the benefits of green tea, so I'm not even going to go into that.
I drink 3 cups a day, 3 to 4 cups a day.
Well, it's very good for you, and this
I'm waiting for it to kick in, though.
You look fabulous, and you feel fabulous.
That's the Botox.
And this, the green tea is unsweetened, so that's a wonderful.
Can I taste it?
Sure.
I'm a green tea aficionado.
Yeah,
honest to God.
This is Dr. Andrew Weil's line of green tea, and you know he's one of
Very
the...
good.
Yes. Yeah. And then we also have Cherry Farm cherry juice, which tastes like cherry pie. It has 50 tart cherries in every bottle, and it's really good for you. Antioxidant.
50 cherries in each bottle?
Yes.
So what is it? Are they just smashed and put in the bottle?
I don't know the method, but it's amazing, right?
So but cherries are similar to blueberries. They're a wonderful antioxidant.
It's wonderful. Helps you sleep. It's wonderful.
Okay.
And of course, you must take your fish oil every day. So we have Omega Cure from Norway to your doorway. And let me tell you, it does not smell or taste like fish oil. It's yummy.
There's so many benefits of fish oil. It's outstanding. From kids, you know, helping some kids with attention deficit disorder to your skin,
your heart, your brain, your hair, your skin, your nails. And finally, we have the Shosai dark chocolate. Now, studies show that dark chocolate helps lower your blood pressure and your cholesterol. It's good for your heart. And eating dark chocolate every day is like taking a baby aspirin. Which would you rather do?
Yeah,
right?
I'd rather have the chocolate any day. And these are on your website as well, aren't they?
Yes, these are at agingbackwardschocolate.com.
Now, how many of these do you actually eat a day, though?
I eat as many as I want, but they say eat like at least 3.
At least 3 a day?
Yes, I eat them all day long. I just love them. And you know what's great about them? Diabetics can eat these chocolates.
Well, let me ask. Oh, diabetics can eat these chocolates?
Can eat these chocolates.
Oh, that's
it's called
key.
Shosai at agingbackwardschocolate.com.
Okay, real quick.
Yes.
If you had to pick 3 of these products, okay, if we want to be, you know, a kind of a low maintenance beauty queen, which should we take? Which 3? And let's not include the blood pressure machine here because that's a whole different ballgame.
Exactly. I would first take Skin Defense Complex, and next I would take the Shosai chocolate, and thirdly I would take the Pro Tandem.
Okay, so you would do that every day then?
Yes, I do those every day.
Wow, terrific. Jackie Silver, Aging Backwards. Babe, thank you so much. We appreciate it. And I'm going to dive into these chocolates in a minute. Go to daytimeonline.tv for more information on all of these products. Stay with us. We'll be right back.